Hello my dear students, welcome to the class. Today I will teach you revaluation of assets and liabilities in case of admission of a partner. Okay? And then number 2 is general entries at the time of admission of a new partner. Let us start with format of revaluation account or performer of a revaluation account. Okay? Revaluation account is a nominal account in nature. Okay, it is nominal in nature. Here I have written. Okay, then revaluation account is also known as sometimes profit and loss adjustment account. Okay, as it is nominal in nature, so what is the rule of nominal account? Debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. So you have to prepare revaluation account like this, two sides. Left hand side is debit side, right hand side is credit side. Okay, particulars amount. Okay, for every increase I am using arrow for increase or plus for increase in the format. Okay, and for decrease this down arrow or minus I am using. ठीक है, for convenience. But if this is asked in your exam, so you have to write increase word and decrease word, not this. Is to be recorded on debit side and increase in asset is recorded on credit side. Reverse is the case in case of liability. If liability increase, it is a loss at the debit side with the amount of liability increase. And if liability decrease, it is profit it is it should be written on credit side. Okay. Other than this, two and more entries are there. If there is some unrecorded assets and now it is considered, so then unrecorded assets is taken into account, so it is to be written on credit side. Okay, and unrecorded liability means you have to pay it, so it should be recorded on debit side. Okay, A stands for assets and L for liabilities. I have used word A and L. Okay, so if credit side is more than debit side, then you have to total credit side first and then debit side may write amount, this amount here, and total up to this. This minus this is equal to balancing figure, and this balancing figure is profit on revaluation, that is transferred to capital accounts of old partners in old ratio. Remember this thing, revaluation profit or loss is always divided among old partners in old ratio. Okay, and if this side is more than this side, so then first of all you have to write amount here, then same amount here, and total up to here and minus it, and then you get a balancing figure, that is loss. So either there is loss or there is profit. Now I am taking general entries in case of admission of a new partner. Okay, so here I have written transactions and I have made general on right side. General, first of all you have to write general at the top of the format, then date, particulars, ledger folio, debit amount and credit amount. Okay, and calculations I have done in this column. Okay, the first transaction is stock is undervalued. Undervalued means it is written at less value by 10% and book value is 54,000. 54,000 is the book value. Okay, it means it is equal to 90% of the actual value. Okay, so then this is 54,000. You have to do like this, 90% है तो 100 by 90. Okay, so it comes to 60,000. It means 60,000 is the actual value of stock. If it is actual value and you have written 54,000, so then you have to increase by 6,000. What is the amount of difference? Difference is 6,000. So you have to increase stock by 6,000. 6,000, 6,000. Okay. Here you have to write narration. Stock is undervalued by 10%. Okay. Next is stock is overvalued by 10% and book value is 66,000. Okay, over is equal to 60,000, which is equal to 110%. Okay, if it is written at overvalued, so then 110% पे ये value है. Okay, so then you have to find out actual value like this. Actual value is equal to 66,000 into 100 by 100 percentage वाला, ठीक है. Okay, divided by 110. So you will get value 6,000. Okay, this is the difference amount. Okay, so you have to reduce stock by 6,000 in this case. So what will be the entry? Revaluation account debited to stock. You are reducing stock by 6,000 in this case. Okay, you have to write narration. Stock is overvalued by 10%. Now correct. Okay, next is value of land and building is to be increased to 5 lakh. Remember this, here word is written as 2, so you have to increase up to 5 lakh and book value is how much? 4 lakh. So there is a difference of 1 lakh. You have to increase it. So building account debited. Building account debited to revaluation account. By how much? 5 lakh minus 4 lakh, 1 lakh. Next entry. Value of land and building is to be increased by. Here by is written. If by is written, so you have to take same amount, 5 lakh. Okay. So then building account debited to revaluation five lakh. Okay, so remember one thing, if to word is used, ठीक है, word to is written as, so you have to take difference, and if by is written as, word by is there, so you have to take full amount. Okay, next is was written off as bad debts last year, paid 30,000 in full settlement. So it means you are receiving money, bank account debited to bad debts recovered, bad debts recovered account. the amount you are receiving, you have to write that amount only, 30,000, not 40. Okay. Paid 30,000 in full settlement, and now you have to transfer it to revaluation account, this bad debts recovered. So now you have to debit bad debts recovered account debited. To revaluation. 30,000. 30,000. Okay. Here you have to write narration कि bad debts recovered account is transferred to revaluation, and here you have to write you are receiving for 30,000 which was written off as bad debts in last years. Okay. Next transaction is an old customer whose account was written off as bad debts has promised to pay 15,000 in full settlement of his account. Okay, has promised. Here promise word is written. ठीक है, तो it means he has only promised, not he is giving money. So it means your debtors are increased. So sundry debtors account debited. To revaluation account only by the amount which he has promised to pay, 15,000. 15,000. Here you have to write narration. Old customer promised to pay 15,000 in full settlement of his account. Okay. Next, a liability for claim included in sundry creditors for rupees 20,000 settled at 16,000. It means you are paying 16,000. The creditors debited rupees, creditors account debited by 20,000. You are making payment of rupees 16,000 only. The remaining amount is 4,000 is transferred to revaluation account. ठीक है, you have to write narration from here only. Next is a computer purchased on 15th October 2020. 1st October 2020 for rupees 40,000 and debited to office expenses account is to be brought into account on 31st March 2022. Here year is 2020 and here year is 2022. Charging depreciation 10% by written down value method basis. Okay. So office equipment account debited to revaluation account. Here I have written revaluation account because year of purchase is 2020 and we are taking into account on 2022. So it means asset is increased. As if asset is increased, so you have to debit it. ठीक है, how will you calculate the amount? For how many months? You are purchasing on 1st October. Books are closed on 31st March. So from October, November, December, January, February, March, 6 months. And what is the rate of depreciation? That is 10%. 10% of 40,000 is 4,000, and for 6 months कितना हुआ? 2,000. Depreciation for 6 months is equal to 2,000. So now cost is, at the beginning of the year, book value of computer is 38,000. ठीक है, now you have to charge depreciation for full year, 1 year. And by written down value method. Here it is written as written down value method. In this case, you have to charge depreciation in next year on this amount. Okay, so 3800 is the 10% of 38,000. Okay, so this minus this is equal to 34,200. So you have to write amount 34,200, 34,200. Okay, this amount, final amount. Next transaction is that the value of stock is to be reduced by 10%. Here by word is used, or in case of by 20,000 is equal to 2,000. Revaluation account debited because stock is reducing. Revaluation account debited, decrease in asset. To stock. Okay, 2,000, 2,000. In case of buy, you have to take this much amount. Then next is that a provision of 5% was to be created or for doubtful debts. 5% provision is equal to 500. Okay, to provision on debtors. Provision. Okay. Next is investments were 14,000. Not mentioned in the book balance sheet were to be taken into account. It means it is an unrecorded asset. Unrecorded assets means increase in asset to be recorded on credit side. The investments account debited, investment account. Okay, 14,000, 14,000, same amount. This is all about. I have covered general entries in this video. Okay, in next video I will take how to prepare revaluation account. Okay, with the help of question. Till then, bye bye.